Alright guys, so I fixed that hose. No more rip on it. I just cut it and then I just took off the fitting and then slid it in the new piece, or the old piece that was on there. So let's hope this thing starts and doesn't leak. It's not going to, I know it's not. But next, yeah, like I said, we're gonna put the battery in and then start it up. Let's get it. All right, so battery's in. Let's open up the trunk and see what's up back here. Oh man, more parts. More parts. All right.